Hey guys, what's going on? I just finished a couple of things. I did the free stuff that was in the store. I just did the event, the Silly 16 event. Now I wanted to look at um, Atlantis. Hopefully everything is there and I didn't miss anything yet. So I'm gonna go to the set and hope that I didn't miss much. Because sometimes these are limited for a certain time, or they get sold out. So I'm just going to jump into it. So it's Aladdin. It says Atlantis 20th Anniversary Collection. Celebrate the 20th anniversary of Atlantis with new collectibles featuring Princess Kida, Milo, and more. Or earn avatars and coins, rewards. Okay, so I'm just going to jump right into it. Pack number one. Velocities, if I'm saying that right, white. Baymax green. And I just watched this last night too. Wilhelmina Packard. Oh, is that from never mind. It's an old computer, I believe. That's probably referencing that. David Kowina. And nice. This looks pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Wow, it looks amazing. Character card, poster card, base cards. I'm gonna go with the poster card, see what the rarity is on that one. Is that? Oh, that's uncommon. Okay, so that one was that one. That was common. That one was uncommon. This looks like a really nice card. Hey, if the uncommon ones look that nice, who's not to say, you know? All right, so that was pack one. So okay, just trying to do the math real quick. Dean Hardscrabble red, Donald Duck blue, 22 white, Snow White white, and Cookie. Oh, is he always eating Cookie? I didn't even catch that in the movie. Pack number three. Oh, it's gonna be all white. Sven, Fairy Godmother, Bogo, a couple reds, Forky, Lilo. All new ones. Pack number four. A couple whites again. Eleanor, Moonwind, Dante, Red Pascal, and Quasimodo. Pack number five. Lewis Robinson, purple. Slinky Dog, blue. Christoph, white. Miguel Rivera, red. And Lewis Robinson again. Number six. David Kowina, white. And a bunch of greens. Aladdin, Mirage, the Mad Hatter, and Dory. Number seven. Lightning McQueen, green. Gaston, red. Moana, green. Tamatoa, Dante. Lemaire, white. Ray, white. Tigger, red. Jafar, white. And Wally. And I lost count, but I know where I'll be. think this will be because every 5 is 10,000 coins. Yoke, Brunny, Joe Gardner, the March Hare blue, and Balthazar green. So I think this is pack 14. All Whites Eve, Miguel Rivera, Aladdin, Syndrome green, and Quasimodo purple. All pretty much duplicates, it looks like. So I'm gonna have to mute this because I have the window open, and or pause. People are playing music outside, so sometimes I try and rush through these. Blue Willie, Kane, Rabbit white, Mulan purple, Daisy Duck red. Oh, you know what? I want to see 1 in 15. Wow, those are really hard. 400. Wow, that's crazy. That's a lot of coins you got to spend. Sully, Tony, Mother Gothel, Pascal, and Sergeant Calhoun. Let's see now. I'm trying to figure out where I'm at. Hades, Al blue, Mr. Mittens green, Russell red, Baymax white. Let's see. I'm trying to figure out. Fairy Godmother white, Jack red, Frozone, Belle, and 22. Oh, I see. Fairy Godmother, Wreck-It Ralph, Terry and Terry, Maximus, pretty cool, Grandmother Willow. So that was, I think, a 20 pack opening there. If not, maybe a 15. I'm going to do 5 more just to play it safe, and I'm not sure if I missed count. Doug, green. Elsa, white. Colette, white. Rue, green. Minnie Mouse, green. If not, I'm just going to recap what's in the set, because I probably will never, or I might look at buying into some of these. Flash, Anna, I missed the name, Rue, green, and Willie, white. White Dory, Judy Hopps, purple. All whites, Mateus, Simba, Esmeralda. Piglet green, Lightning McQueen, Bambi blue, Pascal green, Lightfoot green. And last one, I'm going to call this 25 pack opening. Then I'm just going to recap some stuff real quick. Nick Wilde green, Al red, Robin Hood green, Doug, and Nani. So I actually just want to, first I'm going to go see what I can get. 3 guaranteed common, 1 uncommon expedition, 1 in 3 for emotion. Let's see what you get for 99 cents. $5. So you get 7 cards per pack. So you get 4 packs. Think I might actually come back and do this for $5. That's pretty much a steal. I love Atlantis. It's super important. So I might actually come back and do that. You know what then? Since this was a little bit overwhelming and I got a lot of points, why not? I'm just gonna do one of these. Hopefully I don't get it. Well, I knew that was gonna happen. I knew I was gonna get a duplicate. Wilhelmina Packard, Lumpy, Joshua Sweet, Vincent Santorini. Of course, I get a duplicate. Lewis Robinson and Bambi. That's to be expected. And sometimes that's the reason you do it, just so people can see. Now, that's the unfortunate thing now is if you think that if you spend $5, you get all this. But are you going to get duplicates? Anyways, I'll save that for another time. Let's look at what is in the set. I'm going to start with the etched artifact ones because those look pretty sweet. And the most super rare. Just want to see what it's all about. Oh, that is pretty sweet. Nice. That's really nice, actually. Nice, okay. Let me see what I know. I hope that doesn't get copyrighted because that's gonna be annoying. But I don't know. That's such a random song. Hold on one second. I'm gonna actually mute it. All right, sorry. It was just the car passing by. Cookie. That looks pretty dope. Nedka. Joshua Sweet. Joshua Sweet. Commander Rourke. Packard. Whitmore. He looks like an evil person, but I don't think he was evil in the movie. He was actually a good person. Milo Thatch. Santorini. I'm actually going to screenshot this one. Mole. Ramirez. Princess Kita. Helga St. Clair. Cookie. Pretty awesome. So I think this will be like part 1. Then I'm going to come back and buy some stuff. See you guys later.